What's up, guys? It's been a while. Been doing some stuff. Been really busy lately. But welcome to this week's episode of the Gun Show. The show where I talk about random things and have some fun in front of a camera. Okay. So what's been going on? We got the CS1 and the M2. They got released, then they came out, so they're now out, and a bunch of people have been sending in their guns, trading them in towards CS1s and M2s, and now they're going to be trained towards the hostile, what we call the hostile shocker, the HK shocker, and whatever other new goodies that they want to get. So what people have been doing is trading in their guns. You know, on the wall right now, I counted, we have 107 different guns on the wall, and that's not including the ones that aren't on the wall that are back there somewhere. So yeah, check them out. So let's get into the normalness of the weekly gun show, the Gun Show, where again I talk to you and you listen. You know, what else can you do? Okay, let's do it. The gun that I want to show off to you, the gun that I like the most in the shop right now, just because it's cool and I like impact, is this Zach Yakmak Geo 3.5. This gun, we've had multiple debates in here at the store. Is it ugly? Is it not? It's got a whole like galaxy kind of universe thing going on in the graphic that's printed on it. It has his signature on it. Personally, I love it. That's why it's my pick of the week, right? Gun is in really, really good condition. The guy who had it took care of it. And it's just really, really nice. Again, I love it. It looks cool. It has some purple in it, some orange, some red. Just overall, really, really sweet gun. So now, let's choose some guns to talk to you about. As you can see, there's a ton of them. So what to choose, it's kind of difficult for me to figure out what the heck to talk to you about. But let's go with like this pure-ish Lux right here. Supposed to be an all white, all silverish gun. It is a little bit different from the accents to the actual body and the barrel tip and stuff. But overall, looks really sweet. It's got the Exalt red grip on it. So it has a good feel to it. It's a Lux 2.0. How much is it? Let's see, $700. Really nice gun. I mean, all these guns are really nice. I work on them, right? Super sweet, all pure Lux 2.0. Get into them some more. What should we pick? Let's go with Camp Geo 3.5, another one of the signature Pro Series Geo 3.5s that Playing Clips did. Hopefully they do some more signature series guns of the guys that, you know, everyone loves, everyone wants to see play, and everyone wants to see their take on what they can do with the Geo 3.5. This one has like a Zeus, I believe, is on it, like right here. Scott Camp, really sweet design, looks really, really good in person. And again, really nice gun, really sweet gun. Going back to people trading in their guns, we have some guys that work here that do trades, you know, and that's what they do. With this gun here, this Shocker RSX, I actually traded in this gun. Yay me. And the guy traded this Shocker towards an LV1, and me, I'm like, man, this Shocker's really nice. He loves his LV1, which is sweet, but this Shocker, really sweet Shocker. It's number 116, one of the very first ones. This gun is broken in. It shoots super duper smooth. I used one a couple days before this one came in, and then I shot this one upstairs, and I was amazed at how much better this one shot than the other one that we had. This one's just butter smooth, just shoots fantastic. looks really nice. I like that the guy took care of it, and then, you know, he got a gun that now he loves, and he can take care of that one too. What else? We just got back from Cup yesterday, well, this morning, really, because it was super late last night. And one of the teams that I really like to watched at Cup. They also stayed at our hotel. I got to talk to some of the guys for a little bit. Was Tampa Bay Damage, and as you might know, they shoot the Clone 5s, which is what this is. These guns just were tearing people up on the field. And this one's no different. They shoot amazing. They are one of the most efficient guns on the market. This one, you know, doesn't have much wear at all, just like a lot of the newer high-end guns that come in. When people, you know, they take care of their guns, they want a good gun in return. You know, place to check out is us. You know, people like to take care of their guns and trade them towards new ones, and I love that. I love being able to basically look over a gun, make sure it's all good, go through it, and not have to really scrape it with anything. You know, some people like to just dip it in mud and then send it to us, it seems like. No, this one was definitely taken care of, which is really, really sweet. Clone 5. Just really sweet guns. And again, Tampa Bay Damage is just destroying people all weekend with them. Let's see what else is out here, shall we? Let's do one of the teams that's local to me. I live about 2 hours away, and the team at my local field is Sacramento Excessive, which is what this is. It's an excessive axe. When these came out, they were really sweet. Everyone wanted one because all the pros at our local field was using them. Comes with the red line board. It's the old kind of Axe Pro, if you will, before the actual new Axe Pro came out. Comes with a few backs and tips, so you get a barrel kit, the red line board, so you can turn it on and then see all what you need to see, and then turn it off. These guns shoot amazing. Personally, I love putting boss bolts in. We have boss bolts used. We can get them new. You put one of those in, these guns shoot fantastic. They are a high-end gun at that point. No longer this, you know, what is this, $500 gun. No, these shoot like a $1,200 gun if you put just a $25, $30 bolt into them, which is really, really sweet. I love the axe. I love, you know, the whole axe genre, the minis, the axes, the axe pros, the mini GSs. You know, they're really, really sweet guns, and this one's no exception. What else? We got a couple Midnight LV1s, 1.1s, one. We got this really sweet all chrome brain fart. Reptile. Can't think at all. What number is this? Number 16. I think they did 250 of them. This one, again, all chrome. Looks really sweet. And just shoots amazing. When you put the spool engine in these and you tune them to what they're supposed to be set out, they're fantastic markers. You know, they don't move. They just, you tap in, balls come out the other end, you know. What else? Got a Pink Lady LV1. This one's really sweet. This is a Pootie anode, custom LV1. This gun looks fantastic. It's a dust finish, all these sweet swirls in it with black, and it's like a silver base. I mean, you can see it. It looks really, really sweet. And this gun shoots amazing. You know, all the LV1s, when you tune them, you can tune them down to nothing. They just don't move. They just shoot paintballs, you know. That's a lot of how really nice high-end guns are nowadays. You just go and they just go forever, you know, and LV1, no exception. What else? One final one that we should choose is, it's really sweet. Camo VM15. Gun shoots amazing, looks amazing. This one still had the wrappers on the inside. I don't even know if the guy actually played with this gun, which is kind of cool, you know. Get a gun that never been played with. Shoots fantastic. The trigger still has the spring in it. Most people just take the spring out, throw it away, chuck it away. Makes it feel a little bit better. And dude never adjusted the trigger, never adjusted anything. Just bought it, and it seems like kept it nice, and then traded it in. So now normally we'd get into what gun we're gonna slice the price on, if I could talk right. This week though, we're not doing just one gun. We're doing an entire used gun wall. Everything on the used gun wall, everything that will be added in the next few days. It ends on the Friday that this video's being put up. We're taking 10% off every single gun. Every single used gun in the store. So all the ones that get added, all the ones that are on there, 10% off if you get them by the Friday that this video is put up, which is really sweet. You know, it's the after World Cup, after World Cup sale, basically, you know. So I will see you hopefully next week. You know, everyone's been saying, "Hey Josh, where are the videos?" I'm like, I know, it's not me, I swear. We've been really hard work doing all the things, you know, and then World Cup came up. We had to take a second to get rid of, deal with some of the stuff that we had to deal with. But now we're back. Hopefully I'll see you guys next week. Check out our Facebook, like the video, share the video, because, you know, get my face everywhere. I got a pretty one, so get it out there, you know. Oh, we got in these really cool wristbands too. I wore one, and it was so hot and sunny at World Cup that I got a tan line now from a wristband. But again, check everything out on the website. Look at it, share the video, like us on Facebook. Hit me up. I'll be here all week. Okay. See ya.